Hey guys, this is Rebecca Oberstadt. In today's video, I figured I would sit out here since it's like 80 degrees and the dog needed to go out, and I would do my Ipsy Glambag Unbagging for this month. I got it in Friday and I'm filming this on a Monday. I spent most of the weekend unable to breathe because my father has been burning leaves. And I have really bad allergies, so my voice might cut in and out, but I'm trying to get caught up. I've got a bunch of stuff to get done. So this month's bag is this really pretty red envelope, and it's got like a little pair of like lips or something on it here, and then here's the back. I've just got it open because everything is in here. It says sealed with a kiss. It says celebrate Black History Month since February is Black History Month. I know a friend of mine, Valerie, she's been posting like one thing a day about people in history that are Black that have done something momentous, whether like the woman who invented the pad, or what was it, the guy that invented an air conditioner. She posts like something new every day, like the first woman that was Black to be voted into Senate. Things like that. She's posting like one momentous person a day, somebody that's done something that has changed history, whether it's an inventor or a political figure or somebody that's made a change, kind of like Martin Luther King. So I think that's really awesome of her, and I love seeing those posts every day because the Black Lives Matter movement hasn't stopped. And if I get one comment that says all lives matter, I will just block you and report you and I'll be done. Because no, we're not doing that on this channel, period. I understand everybody matters. I understand that. But because of the systemic racism in this country, and a lot of the hate that has been perpetuated on marginalized groups in this country, when you say all lives matter, it doesn't mean all lives matter. It means that you are taking away their suffering, and I won't tolerate that here. So I'm done with that topic for right now. We're gonna move on to the bag. Okay, so it says celebrate Black History Month by Black. Incredible payoffs, innovative formulas, inclusive shades, inspiring founders. Get it all by shopping directly with our Black founded brand partners this month and beyond. Discover must-haves and exclusive discounts at the URL below. And it's ipsy.com/Black-owned brands. I will leave it linked down below, as well as the blog that I wrote a while back that have more than 50 different Black-owned businesses. So you can read that and click to go to their website. It says send love, February 2021. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails, and you deserve it all. I'm out here barefaced, no nail polish on, so yep, no glossy red lip, no glossy red nail polish. Okay, so it says signed, sealed, delivered. These 5 Glam Bag products valued at $50+ are all yours. And that's a lie because my bag is not valued at $50. And I did buy 3 add-ons. That's why there's things hanging out of the bag. So we're gonna go in order in which they're on the card. I do have everything written out in Microsoft Word, which I will copy to the description box, that has the company, product name, what it is, the size that I got versus the full size, and the prices for both, as well as a link to where you can find this product. Any affiliated links will have an asterisk next to them, which means if you click on it and you buy something, when you click on my link, I will earn a small commission. Some links are just shortened links because not all of these brands you can earn commission on. So I'm just gonna leave that here. So this is the Pure Brazilian. This is actually what I picked this month because my hair's been really dry. I am testing out a new shampoo and conditioner from Function of Beauty. It finally arrived. It took like 6 weeks for me to get it. I know you can go to Target and have them made, and I didn't realize Target had them until I was there to pick up cat litter 6 weeks ago. And this was like 3 or 4 days after I'd ordered it online, so it is what it is. Murphy's Law. Okay, so this is the Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. It says from flyaways to split ends, cold dry weather can make your hair harder to manage, and if you're dealing with damage from heat styling or dyes, this keratin infused leave-in is for you. And it's like super thick. Like, it's in a spray, but it's like super, super thick. Smells nice. I don't know how this super thick lotion type consistency is going to spray. I haven't used this yet. Like I said, I just got it Friday. I have not been feeling well. This is 29.5 milliliters or 1 ounce. It is valued at $3.83. The full size is 6.78 ounces for $26. So this was the product I picked. The next item in here, I gotta dig for it, is this little thing from Glam Glow. It says Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. I haven't even opened it. I don't even know what it looks like. Like a shot of espresso to your under eyes, this anti-fatigue eye cream is the fastest way to wake up your complexion. It's infused with illuminating pigments and energizing caffeine to minimize shadows on contact, plus a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid acid to plump fine lines. This is 0.1 ounces or 3 milliliters worth $7.80, and the full size is 15 milliliters for $39. Glam Glow doesn't really have a whole lot of really good ingredients. Oh, it's really thick. And this little guy, I don't know if there's a false bottom, but it's slightly beige. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. The lighting out here is shifting because it looks like it's gonna pour any minute. So it's slightly peachy. I don't know if I will use this. I might like try and sell this. I just joined a makeup like for sale group on Facebook recently, so I might just try and get rid of it there. And I've got several brushes in here. Okay, so the next item is from Shayna B Miami. I've got a couple of her brushes. I've got a highlighter from her. I do believe this is a black-owned business. There's one hair that I know I'm gonna have to cut right there because it's not even, it feels soft. I like getting brushes from Ipsy. So it says, meet your powder blush's new bestie. This brush has a square cut shape that's easy to use. No matter what your makeup skill level, it gives you a ton of precision and control when applying color and has ultra soft bristles that blend pigment like a dream. This is a full size. It retails for $23. The next item, as it gets even darker out here, is the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder 117. That's the shade. This lightweight, non-caking setting powder is made with mattifying minerals to keep your skin shine-free and your makeup fresh, bright, and in place for up to 12 hours, no matter the weather or humidity. I live in Florida. Humidity? Yeah. This is 1.8 grams or 0.63 ounces for $2.05 for value. The MSRP is 4 ounces for $12.99, and this looks like it is my skin color or a little bit darker, so we'll have to see. I haven't even opened it. The next item in here, and then we'll get into the add-ons, is this cleansing gel. It's from EVENPRIME. It says, when it comes to the perfect face wash, somebody just pulled in the yard. This one checks all the right boxes. It effectively removes dirt and excessive oil, hydrates skin with hyaluronic acid and B5, and is free from sulfate, synthetic fragrance, and essential oils, making it safe for all skin types. This is 15 milliliters or 0.5 ounces. It's valued at $2.40. The full size is 100 milliliters or 3.3 ounces for $16. I'm gonna stick my nose in it if I can. Nah, I can't. It's got a condom on it. I can't smell it, so usually I can smell through those little plastic things. Now, the add-ons, I got 3. Everybody is like raving about lip oils, so I picked one up. This was $3. This is this is a lip slick from Sofia and Mabel. This is 3.7 grams or 0.13 ounces. This is a full size. On their website, it says it's worth $15 on pre-order. On Ipsy, it says it's worth $19. It's like a clear with a hint of like pinky purple in it. It's called Juice Bar. It's just a clear. And this is like, I thought lip oils would be thin and hydrating. This has mineral oil in it. And you guys know how I hate mineral oil. Yes, sir. Kitty. You see kitty. I thought this would be like thin, like an actual oil. This is super thick. It's not sticky, but it's super thick. This is like a lip gloss, a hydrating lip gloss. This is actually thicker than the Hemp's lip balm that I've been using, but if I put the Hemp's lip balm on and then throw this on over it and then go to bed, when I wake up the next morning, I can still feel both products on my lips. So this like stays forever. It does transfer. It's like I said, it's like a very thick, clear gloss, but it also feels hydrating, and it confuses me. So the ingredients are polyisobutane, mineral oil, some palmitate. There's some triglycerides in here. There's quite a few ingredients in here, and like I said, it's got mineral oil, and I hate products with mineral oil, but I actually have been really enjoying this. I've been using it every day since I got it Friday, and it's Monday, so it's not bad. The next items that I picked up are both brushes from Farah. I have the 615F. This is a flat kabuki brush for like foundation, and I just picked up a new Wet n Wild product that's like a BB cream, so I want to try it with that, but I really haven't been feeling good to even put on makeup. And then this one is a 620F. This is for like loose powder or pressed powder. I figured I could use it for like powder here, that would work nice, and it's not like pokey or scratchy. A lot of the brushes that are made for under your eyes like irritate my skin really bad and make my skin like burn, so I have to be really careful what brushes I use under my eyes. My fur kid's running off. So the brush 620, the flat kabuki, retails for $14. This one retails for $16. I picked up both for $3 each. So my add-ons this month were, got a bug on it, $3, $3, and $3. I spent $9 on add-ons. The bag itself was $12, as you know, as usual, because they increased the price a couple years ago from $10 to $12, and now they're charging us tax on it, so yay. So the cost of the bag is $21 total. The bag itself value is $39.08, which is why I said at the beginning, this is not worth $50. It's not. The add-on value is $43. That's closer to $50. So the total bag value, even with the add-ons, is worth $84.08. So not bad. The eye cream I will probably get rid of. I probably won't use it because I've been using the one that I got from Good Molecules lately, and I really, really like it. My face has been like really dry, and like this entire part of my face has been real like scaly and dry patchy lately, and my face started freaking out. So uh-oh, it's raining. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Hopefully you like this, and the dog's running. Come on, Em. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are. And if you want, I will just mention when I'm using these products in other videos where I got them from, if you want to see me use them. So anyways, I will see you later. I'm really getting rained on. Bye. Hey, you can even see it on my shirt. Look. Bye.